Okay, so it's pretty amazing stuff that if you can envision it and you can put it into 3D model, that you can actually get it printed. So here's our casing for our Tesla coil, or Tesla turbine, excuse me. So air intake, the release over here, and so then Tesla coils on the inside. Well, you need a casing. Well, you need a stand. Let's start there because that's what we printed first. So the stand will fit like that. To keep it mounted, I left a little variance on the side, as you can see here. So there's a little variance in there for the rubber bushing to go in to keep it stable, to limit the vibration over to the workbench. Then we had to create the caps. So the caps go over there like that. And then we had to put a ball bearing in the middle to hold the axle. So the axle with the discs that are part of the Tesla turbine, well then obviously we'll have rubber gasket here too on the other side of the holes. And miraculously enough, the magnet wheel that we built fits with enough room to allow it to spin, attached to the Tesla coils. So the second cap for the back, another one of these is printing right now. Got another ball bearing to go in the back, and then that'll totally encase it. And then we could put the drive axle in. The first run I had at a drive axle on 3D printer, it tricked me pretty profusely because when you print something that has basically reductions or additions to the diameter or something like that, and it's a straight line like an axle, which we have the drive oval here built into the axle, only portion of the axle, because then the circular part has to come through here. It got all jacked. So I know how to do it now, and once we have that done, then we can do the Tesla coils, and then I got the compressor fittings for here, 1/2 inch to go into here to supply the airflow, and then we'll see how many RPMs we can get out of this baby, and if we could turn it into a very, very efficient machine with the addition from our friend Tesla, with the addition of magnet wheels. It's very heavy because it's got 16 permanent magnets in it, all aligned in a perimeter, and then we're going to do coils here. If you look at the turbine, the insets here are for spindles that we will do copper round with. So originally I only had 8 of them, but now that I look at it, we can actually fit 24 spindles of copper round all the way around here, so that as these magnets rotate, we'll pick up that current from the Faraday effect, and then we'll be able to create the RPMs from the axle as well as the current from the Faraday effect. So I'm hopeful that it's going to be a pretty efficient motor, engine, generator, whatever you want to call it, so that we can provide power for a massive amount of houses in the Patriotic villages. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. More to come.